What's up everyone? So it is March the 24th here in El Nido, which makes it about 7 days I think of the quarantine. We're on the 7th day. Today we're actually gonna change the places that we're staying. So yeah, we're gonna be leaving this place. There's nothing really wrong with it, but when we booked this place we didn't know that we were gonna be quarantined for such a long time. Now it's kind of hit us that this could be for months, so we'd prefer to find a place that's more suitable. Mainly the only problem here is that we can't really get much daylight, because this balcony part here is still all very closed, still kind of seems like we're indoors. So we just wanted a place where, yeah, I guess with like a nicer balcony where we can get some of the sunlight if we just kind of be stuck. So yeah, that's the plan. As usual, Trevor's always in the intro.
How are you guys today?
How do you feel about the move?
I feel really good because we're gonna have sunlight. Maybe you probably explained that. I guess this place is awesome. If we could take this and get a bit of daylight, it would be ideal, but we don't have it. So where we're going is definitely gonna be better, I think.
Yeah.
It's the right decision.
But is there a little bit of you still anxious though about it?
Anxious about the whole thing in general. Not about the move though. I feel like it's the right thing.
The right decision.
And we're further out of town. I mean, this place is pretty quarantined already. There's lots of checkpoints, but where we're going is like even further and more isolated. So that feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so it is time to go. Ready to move, Carol?
Yes, we hope we're doing the right thing to move to a better place. At least we need the sunlight, vitamin D, so should be better there, I think.
Yeah, hopefully it's a good decision. We got quite a bit of stuff because yeah, we have all our groceries and drinks and stuff, so yeah, got quite a lot of stuff to take. So here's our ride, the tuk-tuk.
Some of the bottles, but it should be okay.
And the big one. The tight squeeze.
Tight squeeze.
You can fit a lot of things in here though.
You can. I put this up there, but it's just stocked with like laptops.
How's it going? Where's your place? Oh, up there. And we're down here. Yeah, well that's what we came for.
Yeah. Upstairs. Where's this one right about?
I think it's this one, 102. What do you think?
Well, the view is amazing.
Yeah.
At least, even though we can't leave, it's okay. At least we have the view, so it's better for our minds.
And the pool, I think.
Yeah.
So we ended up switching to the top floor instead to get a bit more privacy. Thought it'd be better than downstairs. Down here looks like there's a jacuzzi as well. The delightful travelers are just over here, so easier to talk to them. So we have this little area here to sit. Can have breakfast here, I guess. And then in here, Carol already relaxing. So obviously it's a AC room. You got the TV, kettle as well. Probably can make some tea and stuff. And yeah, just a really nice room. Got a safe box and drawers over there. And through here, pretty awesome looking bathroom. There you go. So obviously this is more expensive than the last place we stayed at. The other one was $20 and this is $36. In a normal situation, this would be way more expensive. I'm not sure how much, but they're doing it for $36. Like I said before, we're going to be stuck probably for a while now. Best just try and find somewhere as comfortable as possible, right? And I think the guy said they're not going to be accepting any more guests now, so it's probably going to be like a lockdown here. And we don't really have to leave, I don't think, because in that price, the $36, it includes breakfast and then you can get all your meals here. So yeah, I think it's a good decision. We'll see how the next few days goes, but I think it's going to be a lot more better place to be stuck. So we just come down to the restaurant. The restaurant's right next to the pool, so that's pretty cool. They have loads of different options here. So they have all the pizzas. Some other guest said it's good. Yeah, that's all around like $3.70 I think is the cheapest one, the margarita. I might actually go for that. And yeah, it goes all the way up to $5.50, $6.50. So yeah, it is kind of expensive, but we are in a fancy hotel. These guys are already enjoying the pool. How is it?
So much better than our other place. Yeah.
Yeah, we made a good decision.
Yeah, we just were staring at a fence the whole time before, you know? So here, it's just better. We got some sunshine and outdoor space. Worth every penny. We still got a deal, so feeling pretty good about it. We didn't have any sunlight, guys, like zero.
Yeah.
And the rules are getting stricter by the day and by the hour, so. And there's a restaurant here in case a mega lockdown happens, so I think.
Feed us.
How's the water?
It's great. It's salt water.
Salt water?
Yeah.
That's different.
It's different, but it's kind of nice by the beach because it makes you feel like you're almost in the beach. You know?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, this feels like we're on the beach right now. Tide's gone down. Anyway, what else is there here? So, got like soft drinks, 40, sodas around 80. Got fruit shakes, 190, 170. What are you gonna get?
Fish fingers.
Fish fingers?
Yeah.
How much is that?
$2.60.
$2.60.
A good price, I think.
Yeah, it's a pretty good price. Maybe I'll go for that actually. Fish fingers, yeah.
Yeah, so I think another good thing of staying here now is that we don't have to go out to buy food.
Yeah.
And because of that, we're going to be more isolated, and I think it's better for us.
Yeah, I don't think we have to ever go into the street.
We don't need to go to the streets anymore, so I think it's better, like it's a proper quarantine.
Yeah, quarantine. So another good thing about coming to this place is that we get an awesome view of the sunset, which I don't think we've really seen a sunset since Boracay. That was like a month ago, maybe longer, so it's been a while. So the sun should be going down in the next 30 minutes. You can actually see the fishermen heading out there. Loads of fishermen around this area. And those islands in the background are the ones that you visit on the island hopping tours. So that one is called Helicopter Island. That's one of the main ones. We've visited that one before. So that's it for this video. Hopefully it was a good move coming to this place. I know it's going to be a bit more fun, a bit more stuff to do anyway. Obviously we're still going to be worried. I don't think I really brought that up much in the videos, but yeah, obviously we are worried about what's going on, about what's going to happen in the world, and obviously our decisions as well, because every decision that we make, we don't really know what the outcome's gonna be. Deciding to stay here in the Philippines instead of going to Brazil. There's also a bit of a rumor going around that there might be a complete lockdown here. So Philippines already has a pretty strict lockdown quarantine compared to a lot of countries. But there's news that maybe in Manila, they might actually do it so that nobody can leave their house at all for 2 weeks. So even supermarkets and stuff would be closed from what I understand, and everyone would have to just stock up on food for 2 weeks before it starts. And yeah, just completely everything will be empty. Everybody stays at home. But we don't know if they implement that, if it will be done here as well. 'Cause it seems like everywhere just keeps following what Manila does here in the Philippines. So yeah, that might possibly happen. And that's another reason why we decided to come here, since they have food here within the premises. So yeah, that would be a good idea. And also in the other place, we had to always go out for food and do grocery shopping and stuff. And obviously you pass a lot of people, right? So hopefully here we only run into the same group of people always. I think we should do. So yeah, just basically trying to meet less new people all the time, because at the other place it was just, yeah, too hard to avoid meeting new people all the time, even though we obviously reduced it because we didn't really do anything else besides just go out to get food. But yeah, you'd still run into people. So right now I have no idea, or we have no idea, how long we're going to be in this resort or stuck in this place. But yeah, just have to go day by day and see what happens. So hope everyone's doing well and staying safe and still keeping their sanity. If you're all in lockdown, it is pretty tough to just be stuck inside all day, even 7 days. It's, yeah, just pretty crazy not being able to go out. So I know a lot of people that are watching this must just be completely stuck indoors as well. Hopefully some of you have a garden or a balcony where you can at least feel a bit outside, just like here. So that's it. No idea what the next video will be, but I'll see you around.